Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being loyal. Thank you for staying even though I'm not consistent. But yeah, slap. So today's video, as you can tell from the title of the video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed my passion twist. Very easy method, you can do it yourself. I can't need about to do your hair when it comes to the passion twist. So I've had the passion twist for about a month, a little over a month now, because I did it on Christmas, the day before Christmas. Yeah. So it's been a little over a month. So the video will not be showing you how I part or how I prepare my hair for installing a passion twist for installing a passion twist. So I'll just be showing you how I installed it, because I just wanted to fix my frontal part because I'm still enjoying the hairstyle. It's a very nice hairstyle and it's very lightweight. It means the hour, but it's very lightweight, so I'm still enjoying the hairstyle. I'm not ready to take it down. So I used 3 packs of this passion twist hair from this company. Each pack has 2 bundles, with each bundle having 9 or 7 strings of hair like this. So this video will show you how I take it off, because the one's the frontal part. So I'm showing you how I take it off and how I install it. So I hope unayo crochet and I hope unayo gel to do this ish. So let's just get into the video. This is how you uninstall. This is how you uninstall. Yeah, easier. Ooh. And just be careful. Yeah. I'm using the same extensions because iyadura le shit. Iyadura le nto for ubana ndithenge enye just to redo my frontal. So yabo. Then okay. Faka ngaphakathi. Then in the middle of le nto ufake le fiber. And ufake le hook. You close it and then pull it through. Then uthathe inwele zakho, uthathe nale fiber, and then uzifake kwi-hoop, and then utsale le fiber. That's the tight. Good. Then I will also be using the gel so that zizohlala in between as fiber as well. Njengoba ndizidividile into two, ndifake le, ndifake nalapha. Sekhona inwele eziwayo already. And then ndifake. Since ziyi-two nezi, yabo. And then I start twisting. brand new again. Now my edges look brand new again. Oh my. Okay. Now my problem is, you see how these twists are tighter than these twists? You see the difference? So now I want to make the whole head look like these twists. These ones are looser and they cause tangles. So I'm hoping that if I make them all tighter like this, they won't have tangles. And you see how nice these ones look than these ones. These ones look old. So I want to try and make them look fresh like these. And you see how these ones, my hair is sprouting out, and this one, my hair is not. You can't even see it. So I want them to look fresh, basically. So I'm going to be doing that off camera, and then you'll get to see the finished look when I'm done. So on second thought, let me just show you guys how I'm gonna achieve this. So I sectioned my hair half. Then I'm gonna start from the back. Okay, this one is done. So let me do these two. Okay. Take your love and keep it, girl. I don't need it anymore. I'm not gonna what you call it, untwist all the way to the root, just until where my hair, just until the middle of my natural hair. Then I start braiding. So what I'm gonna do is put this gel first, the wet gel first, on my hair. Then I put the, what is it, molten gel wax for dreads on my hair. Where's my hair? Yellow. Then I start twisting. So basically that's what I'll be doing on my whole head in each and every twist. So see ya.